name is Sierra Lilly. I am Senior Vice President of Diversity and Inclusion. Our team has been excited about the opportunity to give back in such an impactful way. This is core to our diversity and inclusion strategy. What type of impact are we having in the communities that we work and live in? And so for us, this is an opportunity to come together as a collective team, have an impact in underserved areas of our community, and really be able to build relationships with local businesses and organizations as well, to lock arms for the betterment of our communities.
I'm Tyler Bruce. I'm the Chief People Officer for Diversified Maintenance. Our real hope in doing this is to connect with our communities, with the people that we're providing things for, and to pay it forward, and to really connect on a personal basis, and really live to the value of people first, because that's who we are as an organization.